Hello everyone, welcome to Weekly Current Affairs. My name is Ashish Raj and today we will see the current affairs from 20th of July to 27th of July. So let's start from the question number 1. Who has won the 2020 of Hungarian Grand Prix? You have 10 seconds to answer in the comment box. The first question is who has won the 2020 Hungarian Grand Prix? First one is Valtteri Bottas, second one is Lewis Hamilton, third one is Charles Leclerc, and the fourth one is Max. So the correct answer is Lewis Hamilton. Lewis Hamilton is a British racer, Formula One racer, who has won the 6-time World Championship. So, so the question number 2 is wait. Recently, which of the following country has launched Hope mission to Mars from Japan Tanegashima Space Center? And these are the four options. First one is Brazil, second one is UAE, third one is Iran, and the fourth one is Iraq. Recently, which of the following country has launched Hope mission to Mars from Japan Tanegashima Space Center? The correct answer is UAE. Sorry, the correct answer is UAE. And you can see the pic of Hope mission. So let's on which day World Chess Day is observed? It is quite easy question. On which day World Chess Day is observed? The first one is 18 July, 19 July, 20 July, and 21 July. The correct answer is 20 July. Next अगले क्वेश्चन की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. Who is the MD and CEO of Federal Bank? The fourth question is who is the MD and CEO of Federal Bank? You can see the pic. Hint है आपके लिए. And these are the four options: Sumant, V. Vaidyanathan, Prasant Kumar, and the fourth one is Shyam Srinivasan. So the correct answer is Shyam Srinivasan. Here you can see the pic of Shyam Srinivasan. अगला क्वेश्चन की ओर बढ़ते हैं. FIFA World Cup 2022 will be held in which country? FIFA World Cup 2022 will be held in which country? The first one is Russia, second one is France, third one is Qatar, and the fourth one is Germany. You have 5 seconds more, and the correct answer is Qatar. So option C, Qatar. And Qatar basically is a Middle East country, and the capital of Qatar is Doha. And you have to tell me the currency of Qatar in the comment box. What is the currency of Qatar? So अगले क्वेश्चन की ओर बढ़ते हैं. Which of the following state has launched नवीन रोजगार छतरी योजना for the SC scheduled caste? Which of the following state has launched नवीन रोजगार छतरी योजना for the SC? And the four options are Madhya Pradesh, Haryana, Gujarat, and the Uttar Pradesh. And the correct answer is option D, Uttar Pradesh. And CM of Uttar Pradesh, as we know, who is Yogi Adityanath. Yogi Adityanath. And who is the governor of Uttar Pradesh? Governor Anandiben Patel. Anandiben Patel. Who is the governor? Anandiben Patel. So अगला क्वेश्चन की ओर बढ़ते हैं. Which football club has won the La Liga title for the 34th time? Which football club has won the La Liga title for the 34th time? And these are the four options: Barcelona, Real Madrid, Villarreal, बंदेसगिला. बाप रे, ऐसा नाम है, बंदेसगिला लीगा, सॉरी. And the correct option is Real Madrid, option B. And the correct answer is Real Madrid. अगला क्वेश्चन की ओर बढ़ते हैं. मनोदर्पण initiative has been launched by which of the following ministry? Manodarpan initiative has been launched by which of the following ministry? And these are the four options: Ministry of HRD, Ministry of DST, Ministry of Agriculture, and Ministry of MSME. You have 5 seconds. अपना आंसर कमेंट बॉक्स में जरूर दें. And the correct answer is Ministry of HRD, option A. And who is the HRD minister? HRD minister is Ramesh Pokhriyal. Who is Ramesh Pokhriyal? So let's begin another question. ICC postpone ICC Men's T20 World Cup to which year? ICC postpone ICC Men's T20 World Cup to which year? And these are the four options. The correct option is 2022, option B. So let's begin another question. Recently, Harsimrat Kaur Badal, Union Food Processing Minister, virtually inaugurated the Joram Mega Food Park in which state? Harsimrat Kaur Badal is a food processing minister, union minister, and you can see the Joram Mega Food Park in the pic. And we inaugurated in which of the Indian state? You have 5 minutes, 5 seconds more. And the correct answer is Mizoram. And the CM of Mizoram is, you have to tell CM of Mizoram. The correct answer is Zoramthanga. Who is Zoramthanga? And the governor of Mizoram is PS Sridharan Pillai. PS Sridharan Pillai. And the CM is Zoramthanga. इन सब चीज़ों को आपको याद रखना पड़ेगा, बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है. अगला क्वेश्चन की ओर बढ़ते हैं. So, which Indian state has become the use to use drone to inspect power line and transmission tower? Which Indian state has become to use drones to inspect power lines and transmission tower? And fourth, these are the four options: Gujarat, Odisha, Maharashtra, and the Madhya Pradesh. And the correct answer is option C, Maharashtra. And we all know the CM of Maharashtra is Uddhav Thackeray. And who is the governor? Governor is Bhagat Singh. Who? Bhagat Singh. अगला क्वेश्चन की ओर बढ़ते हैं. Who has been appointed as the new personal secretary to the President Ramnath Kovind? रामनाथ कोविंद के न्यू पर्सनल सेक्रेटरी किसे चुना गया है? चार ऑप्शन है: कपिल देव, पी प्रवीण, विक्रम सिंह, लुइस हैमिल्टन. एंड द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन बी, पी प्रवीण सिद्धार्थ. पी प्रवीण सिद्धार्थ को न्यू पर्सनल सेक्रेटरी टू द प्रेसिडेंट रामनाथ कोविंद चुना गया है. अगला क्वेश्चन की ओर बढ़ते हैं. हु इज द ऑथर ऑफ बुक सूरज कदे मर्दा नहीं? सूरज कदे मर्दा नहीं का ऑथर कौन है? दीज आर द फोर ऑप्शंस: बलदेव सिंह, उधम सिंह, मैरियाना मोरिसाना. दीज आर द फोर ऑप्शंस. And the correct answer is Baldev Singh Saraknama. What is the correct answer? Baldev Singh Saraknama. Let's proceed to next question. Former Test cricketer Barry German passes away. He played for which country? बैरी जर्मन जो हाल फिलहाल में ही मरे हैं, वो किस कंट्री के लिए खेलते थे क्रिकेट? ही प्लेड फॉर विच कंट्री? ये बैरी जर्मन का फोटो है एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑस्ट्रेलिया. एंड द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हु इज द ऑथर ऑफ नॉवेल द एंड गेम? आप से देख सकते हैं एंड गेम, simply it's written also author names. Who is the author of novel The End Game? And the correct answer is Hussein Zaidi. Option A. Option A is the author of novel End Game. And next question number 16. Who has been appointed as the new president and the MD for SAP Indian subcontinent? Option 1 is Kulmeet Bawa, Devdeep Sengupta, C is Christian Keen, and the fourth one is Bolkan Bojkir. These are the four options, and the correct answer is Kulmeet Bawa. SAP is a German software multinational company. You can also Google it if you want to more information. SAP is basically a German software multinational company. अगला क्वेश्चन की ओर बढ़ते हैं. Who has launched PNB nationwide CSR campaign to fight COVID-19 pandemic? Who has launched the PNB's nationwide CSR campaign to fight COVID-19 pandemic? And these are the fourth option: Ramnath Kovind, Dr. Harshvardhan, Narendra Modi, and SS Mallikarjuna Rao. And the correct answer is option B, Dr. Harshvardhan. अगला क्वेश्चन की ओर बढ़ते हैं. Recently, which of the following years has been declared as the International Year for the Elimination of Child Labor by UN? Recently, which of the following year has been declared as the International Year for the Elimination of Child Labor by UN? The correct option is 2021. अगला क्वेश्चन की ओर बढ़ते हैं. Who has been appointed as the MD and CEO of Karur Vyasa Bank? Karur Vyasa Bank का MD and CEO किसे चुना गया है? These are the four options, and the correct option is Ramesh Bodu. Option A. Who has been appointed as the MD and CEO of Karur Vyas Bank? Ramesh Bodu. एंड ये रमेश बोडू का पिक है. सो अगला क्वेश्चन की ओर बढ़ते हैं. हु विल बी कन्फर्ड विथ टूंज मीडिया अवार्ड फॉर इनवैल्यूएशन कंट्रीब्यूशन टू द एनिमेशन एंड एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री ऑफ इंडिया? Who will be conferred with Tunj Media Award for invaluation contribution to the animation and entertainment industry of India? These are the four options: Arnab Chaudhary, Lalji Tandon, P. Praveen, and Harsimrat Kaur Badal. आप पिक देख सकते हैं, गेस कीजिए पिक देख के कौन है ये. द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, अर्नब चौधरी. एंड लालजी टंडन he was because he was the Madhya Pradesh governor. Recently he passed away. This is also important question. He is MP, मध्य प्रदेश गवर्नर, और बेसिकली ये अभी हाल फिलहाल में ही इनकी डेथ हुई है. ये कौन थे? लालजी टंडन, गवर्नर ऑफ MP मध्य प्रदेश. अगला क्वेश्चन की ओर बढ़ते हैं। एंड द क्वेश्चन नंबर 21, नेम द इंडियन origin nurse recently who has been conferred